What's the meaning of betwixt? Betwixt. Betwixt.
Betwixt. Betwixt. Betwixt is an archaic and poetic term that means between. It is derived from Middle English, which was commonly used during the medieval period. The term betwixt is still used in literature, poetry, and occasionally in modern speech. The word often connotes a sense of ambiguity or uncertainty in the space between two objects or ideas. In many cases, it suggests a state of transition from one state to another. Although the word is not frequently used in everyday speech, it remains an integral part of the English language and continues to appear in literary works and historical texts.